couple of potential ways to find and monitor for older properties that have been on the market for a while and perhaps looking a bit stale. We can enter a postcode or partial postcode just to restrict it a little bit. And then we've got a time on market drop down, and we can choose greater than 3 months to show older properties. And the other thing that might be useful is to look for relisted, so properties that have been taken off the portals, off the market, and then come back on to again. And that gives us the search results. But then if we want to get new notifications each day of new matches for these, we can save this search and we can give it a label, whatever it might be, like that. And we can choose to only have new listings, so new matches for this. We can also choose ones that are new or changed in price. And if we tick email notifications, the system will send in an email every morning for new matches. And you can also turn on send as CSV if instead of having an email-based list of the properties with images and things, if you choose CSV, instead you'll get an attachment of the CSV which has all of the property detail in, including the link and various other bits of information about the property and the property listing. Then you just click save, and that will then appear in your property monitors over on the left hand side here, and you can see this here. You can click here to rerun the search. You can also edit or delete it if you want to stop receiving those monitors each day.